मला आवडला ड्रेस प्लीज तुझ्या 500 रुपीज में प्लीज
Please do the bargaining. I'll see you in some
Gaga
time.
please don't do this to me Gaga please
Bye.
Gaga please I can give you my life I can give you my money I can give you my makeup I can give you everything I absolutely do not like sharing clothes My husband said no.
Hot
My husband
crop
also likes white.
I
My
love your
husband spoils
energy.
me and so should you. My husband would never. आपका नहीं, मेरा नहीं, 900 rupees. Gaga please.
आज हम आए हैं बैंगलोर की एक लड़की के साथ who travels the world, who serves the look so well, none other than Rida Tharana.
Hi, I'm Gaga. And हम वापस आए हैं बहुत दिनों बाद at लोकनवाला मार्केट with nobody but Rida Tharana.
Hi guys.
मैंने तुम्हारा मैसेज पढ़ लिया and I am here now. बताओ, how can I help you?
Okay, Gaga, firstly, I need to pack my bags again and go to a new destination. I do not want to repeat my outfits. We need to come up with 2 outfits. It's a beach vacay and you told me that Bombay is the best place to shop. So I
Well,
have
it's certainly.
flown all the way from Bangalore and you better do justice.
I will for sure. Since you said beach vacay,
Yes.
I think we should do something very flowy.
Okay, yeah.
That
okay.
speaks volume. I mean, I already love what you're wearing, but हमें वापस कुछ खरीदना होगा.
Okay, done.
एक beach wear flowy outfit कर सकते हैं. Second look could be some nice hot shots or something very comfortable. So let's just go with the flow.
Done. We'll
है
go
ना?
with the flow.
चलो,
I
let's
like
go.
that.
Well, चलो हम पहले शॉप में आ चुके हैं. I would really like to know what's your go-to fashion statement.
When I think of outfits, I need it to be comfortable no matter what. But I'm a very big sucker of baggy jeans
Wow.
and crop tops.
I'll keep that in mind.
I don't think I've gone out of the crop top eras
Uh-huh.
yet. It was okay, but then I don't know. It feels like it has substance though.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the fact that this is there. You can
I love the
literally-
color. It's not too loud.
Yeah, but I'm impressed with the length. One of the things I struggle with is how dresses are usually short.
So do you prefer long
I like
or short?
I want a clean. मुझे sweep करते जाना है, you know.
Well, then this probably might be it.
this probably might be it.
So when was the last time you came out street shopping? Don't remember?
No.
Wow. So that was like long time ago.
So what I usually do is now I get my outfit stitched. So when I
Wow.
am going out, I am material hunting.
Wow.
I do not shop outside anymore.
So you prefer sourcing more than
I do not like overhoarding stuff. So when I do work with brands or I want to get something, I source. I'm like, let me wear it for this outfit, wash it, clean it, and have it sent back to you.
that's very safe.
लेकिन
and
अगर
smart.
yeah, because मुझे नहीं करना है hoarding. It's too many clothes.
True.
And then or else I give it to my cousins because thank God बड़ी सी family है, so I
Wow.
always end up giving it to my cousins or
sweet.
something. Or I know staples मुझे क्या चाहिए. So I have like a really nice flowy trousers that's baggy that I get it stitched from scratch. I have like tops that I know I'll repeat.
Oh wow.
So
So
now-
you do believe in sustainability.
I want to repeat.
That's great.
If I know I'll repeat them, I'll be like ठीक है इसको बाटो कोलैब में कर लेते हैं.
Love that. Perks of being a famous influencer. Rida.
This.
प्यारा कलर है लेकिन I think
Oh, this in like
This is pretty.
yeah. This would actually
Very
look
nice,
nice.
very nice.
Okay, we actually have similar taste.
What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Virgo.
I'm a Scorpio. It's a Scorpion season.
Is it?
हाँ. नहीं वो बहुत maternity वाला outfit है नहीं चलेगा.
I come when
नहीं ये भी नहीं.
my husband said no.
Oh yeah, did he? Okay.
He only
Oh,
likes me in
that's
sexy
pretty.
dresses.
I like this as well.
It is actually really cute, okay?
Honestly?
I mean, it's the same design. It's
Yeah.
just the patterns that are changing.
Yeah,
and-
but this looks far better. But what about the one that we have selected already?
oh, it was
Do you
like,
really wanna? कहाँ रखा आपने वो वाला dress भैया?
हाँ, वो
वो है ना?
I like it. I feel like it's very
Yeah.
me.
So that is the one.
हाँ,
This is the one.
this is the one. I like
Okay,
this.
so we'll buy it. Have you ever tried bargaining? कभी
Uh,
try किया है?
I don't know how to bargain.
So you've never succeeded at it.
I have never succeeded at it. I'm just like, please.
So your please is
I'm
what
a
works
please
for you.
girl, yeah.
Okay.
And I cannot be like, okay, मैं जा रही हूँ. I can never do that.
Okay. So I think then
We
I'll
try.
probably have to do the same. प्लीज आप
भैया।
इसका बता दीजिए
750 का
और लास्ट प्राइस भी बता दीजिए
भी बता दूंगा तो 600 दे देना फाइनल
और बता दो ना अभी अब तो आपके साथ एक रिश्ता सा हो गया है थोड़ा कर लोगे
Best
वो भी
friends।
अच्छा है लेकिन
सरप्लस में ज्यादा अभी महंगे ही सब चीज हो गया
हाँ।
है
Best friends।
सस्ता नहीं आता है
बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हो गए
कितना बोल रहे हो आप लास्ट
600
चलो आपका ना मेरा 500
550
कर दोगे 500 कर दोगे ना आप कर दोगे हाँ बोलिए
Okay.
see without pleasing him do you wanna like say something to him in Marathi
I
you
want
could
to.
say मला हा ड्रेस आवडला
मला आवडला ड्रेस प्लीज तुझ्या 500 रुपीस में प्लीज
पैक कर
दे दो
ओके
love it so cute that was a good try
Oh my god. I know तुझा is them.
हाँ तुमच्या
तुमच्या
respectfully तुमच्या
sorry sir
That's
sorry.
okay
I am so
I
sorry.
think he understood that part
तुमचा ड्रेस आवडला. Hey, Marathi is kind of like easy
yeah
only.
I think thank you so much दादा पुन्हा भेटू
Thank you. This is पुन्हा भेटू. Is
हाँ
thank
पुन्हा
you.
भेटू मतलब फिर मिलेंगे
पुन्हा
We'll see you
भेटू.
soon.
बैंगलोर में.
Love that. वैसे रिदा हमारी शॉपिंग तो बहुत ही अच्छी जा रही है आई नो यू हैव 2 बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टर्स एंड अ ब्रदर
Yeah, I have a biological brother too.
सो डू यू थिंक योर सिस्टर्स आर एवर गोना स्टील ऑल दीस आउटफिट्स
Oh my god. So there's a thing I keep telling, okay?
Mhm.
And with me, I can give you my life, I can give you my money, I can give you my makeup, I can give you everything. I absolutely do not like sharing clothes. And that has
Wow.
been an issue that we've gone through our entire childhood. Because my sister, especially the second one, would always be like, she would just wear it and come in front of me where mom is standing. And I'd be like, no. And she knows I cannot say anything because mom will end my life if we start
Wow.
fighting over clothes. So
Cat
I
fight.
do have certain clothes that I absolutely do not like sharing, and
At
I
all.
have clothes I don't mind sharing.
Okay.
So when the girls come and they're like, "Do you have something that you want to give us?" It's like, "Yeah, here's a bag full of
So that's
clothes
a-
that I
huh.
want to give you guys. Rest I don't touch." So if they pick anything that
Mhm.
they've not taken out of permission, I get really mad. So now they'll be like, "We wanted this outfit." I'm like, "No, that has
Oh.
some meaning towards it, and I absolutely love it, so I can't give it to you."
Oh.
And now they've realized it. Before we used to fight a lot.
So is your heart stuck in Bangalore or you prefer
I
being
am
a Bombay
Bangalore
girl?
girl.
Yeah?
I'm a big time Bangalore girl. I
Okay.
absolutely love my city.
Okay.
I don't think I can ever hate my city. I love the charm it gives. I love all my family is there.
Aw.
My friends are there.
Mhm.
A lot of people I know are there. But I just generally love Bangalore.
So
I
do you
love
want
the
to say something
food.
to your Bangalore fans maybe?
To all the Bangalore fans, you guys know how much I love it. Thank you for all the love. To all my Bombay-based people who follow me, bhai aa jao Bangalore na ek din. Let me feed you like nice dosa, some good meals, some nice things.
And she can
You
cook
have to
well as
come,
well.
yeah.
Yeah, of
And
course
I cook
I will.
amazing. My dream is to host like a supper club or something like that.
Count me in.
Yes, please.
Mhm.
तो आपको आना पड़ेगा.
Definitely.
So you fly in and then lunch or dinner is on me. जहाँ पे I will make like a little course, like starter, main course, and dessert.
Done and deal.
Are we looking for accessories?
Accessories. So here we go. I've been to this shop before. Hello. पहचाना आपने? देखा ना आप लास्ट वाले एपिसोड में आपने देखा अपने आप को? आप शॉर्ट्स दिखा सकते हो वापस मैम के लिए उनके वेस्ट के हिसाब से. What's your waist?
24, 25.
Wow, I miss my days. This is
my
nice. This
days.
is nice.
This is very me.
Do you also know how you can try this out if it's your waist size?
Is this too?
Oh yeah, there you go. She knows it. Does fit you?
Yes.
Oh perfect. ये भी उनकी size का है. Yeah, this is very pretty.
I have
guess
never done white.
now is the time.
I'm never a white girl.
Now is the time.
Are you sure?
Of course, why not?
Okay, but white with what?
White with some, I mean, sexy crop top or a loose tank top or a shirt maybe.
This
It could
I
be
will get
anything.
it for you because I have never gotten a white.
Why? Why?
Because I ruined the white.
can give it
You're
for
the
dry
one
clean.
who's styling me. So whatever you say, I buy.
हाँ ठीक है. Then I think white.
White? Are you sure?
maybe है. आपके पास कोई crop tops है? She hot
My husband
crop top.
also likes white.
He does?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I think this is the color we were talking about, that color of the season.
Oh,
I don't think
yes,
it goes with
oh,
my
yes.
footwear.
Nice, but
ये
it's not
basic
giving
है.
sexy.
Yeah.
I think we can look for a
basic.
better option. How about this one?
Oh, we're doing yellow.
Yellow is your color for today. Honestly,
It's cute.
I mean, why not?
Oh my god, I like the material of it too.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
I think white and yellow is a good combo.
Yeah.
I like that. I can see myself at the beach.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure, for sure.
so
I think
sneakers pen ke.
while we are looking for your look 2 options, we can also look for some accessories.
Yes,
shall we?
please.
उसके पहले आप बता दीजिए इसका दाम 750 हो रहा है और लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए. You wanna try? Give it a try.
I'm okay with 750.
No, no, please, you're with me. You can't be okay with that amount at all. एक काम करते हैं, हमें ज्वेलरी भी खरीदनी है, तो हम पहले वो भी ले लेते हैं, फिर राउंड फिगर कर लेते हैं.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, Gaga, I really like the accessories here.
है ना?
बहुत
Last
सही
time भी
है.
हमने यहीं से खरीदे थे.
Like look at these chunky ones, they're so in trend.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि पुराना. And I also like the pearl with gold.
So do you prefer something very heavy, long, or just
I recently
studs?
just learned that long earrings actually look good on me.
It does because it makes you look taller.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But I think this will go with our green dress. Do you think we compare this with the dress and see if it goes?
We can. I think
See?
honestly, yeah. Sure.
I feel like the red gives
We should
thoda
be
sa
there.
pop,
Pop.
of color.
I'm
the green
up for a pop.
exchange.
Yeah. So we are buying this. Okay.
Next.
Okay. So for look 2, I guess we should do earrings again.
Gaga, you know
everything.
what's trending?
Oh yes, these bangles. Do you have them?
Not at all.
Do you want them?
Yes.
Which one or all
All
three?
of them. I'm
I
sorry.
love it. I
My
love your
husband
ring.
spoils me and so should you.
Sure, madam.
But look at it.
Pretty. Pretty.
Okay, I think we can
Very
do two.
beach vibe. ठीक है, so we are buying these earrings and these 2 bangles. ये आप हाथ में रख लो. Please do the bargaining. I'll see you in some
Gaga,
time.
please don't do this to me. Gaga, please, please, please.
Bye.
Gaga! दीदी
इसका 350 है टोटल आपका 1250 हो रहा है
तो एक का 450 है and इसका भी 450 है. Okay, and then best price?
बेस्ट प्राइस 1250 है 1150
Gaga, please.
Do you really need my help?
Yes.
Did you at least try?
I will do it. I'll do it now.
Hmm.
आपका नहीं, मेरा नहीं. 900 rupees.
Are you kidding me for real? मत सुनो उनका प्लीज. आप मेरा सुनो. नहीं 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 इतना 1250 पॉसिबल ही नहीं. अब मेरा चेहरा देखो, ये बहुत ज्यादा मासूम है. तो लास्ट बता दो ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया क्या? 3 चीजें. लास्ट क्वालिटी हमारी भी अच्छी है, हमारे चॉइसेस भी अच्छे हैं. And how much were you saying?
900.
I mean, not bad. Now I agree with you. Why you said 900? Wow, that's good, huh? मैंने
आपका-
एक पूरा लुक ले लिया है और मैंने एक्सेसरी ली है. हमें उसके लिए भी एक्सेसरी लेनी है. मे बी प्रोबेबली पपिया ध्याना दे दो ना.
थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए. Master
Do
please.
you think I'm busy looking at something?
Please, 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 please. कितना कर दिया? 550. I think which is okay.
आप टोटल बता दो अभी. 2150 is the total.
215. Okay, done. Done. We give them.
2150.
Yeah, it's fine,
चलो
it's
ठीक है. मैम बोल रही है तो हम सुन लेते हैं. So I guess हमने थोड़ा यहाँ ज़्यादा खर्च कर लिया है. So all we are left with is a footwear.
Yeah.
So I think हम ऐसा कुछ खरीद लेंगे जहाँ से जिससे हम दोनों
दोनों
looks
looks
पे
पे,
हाँ,
हाँ,
थोड़ा जुगाड़
done,
कर लेते हैं.
done,
So
done.
let's go.
I think so.
Okay. They do have a sale going on.
And I also
outside
like
the
them.
store.
Oh my god.
This,
I literally saw that and I was like, this would go
Wow.
with both the looks.
We have similar choices.
I know, I feel like every.
अंदर और भी है कलेक्शन.
Okay. चलो थोड़ी हेसी की हवा भी
I
खा
know,
लेंगे.
I know. बहुत गर्मी है.
This is my favorite. Talking about gifts, do you receive a lot of gifts from your husband?
Yeah, it's one of the clause that we agreed upon before getting married.
Oh,
Yeah.
smart girl.
Yes, I'm like, bro, I need not.
Mhm.
I mean, now I call him husband. Before I was like, bro, I need gifts. If that's not the thing, let's just not do
So the
this.
bro code remains.
Yes, yeah.
Cool then.
So
Okay, you want to try this
I
out?
can try
I'll
this
just
out.
help you.
But I like that. I feel like everything here is on sale, and we are in budget also.
Yeah, we are in budget.
I think I need one size up.
है आपके पास एक size बड़ा? I really like this one. It fits you well, and I guess we can end up using this on both your
the
looks, as well as on the look that you're
They're
already
wearing right
carrying.
now. I think I like
So
it.
yeah, I guess everything
I
is
think
working.
the accessories also are going with the
Yes,
look.
yes,
The footwear is also going with the look. Pretty much everything is going with the
Everything is working in our favor. वैसे रिदा हमने शॉपिंग तो कर ली है. तुम्हारा
Yes.
look 1, look 2, jewelry and footwear,
Accessories.
everything is sorted. अब बारी आती है तुम्हें स्टाइल करने की.
look. Yes.
Excited हो?
Very excited.
Let's do it.
बहुत मजा आ गया. Let's go.
Well. That was so much fun. I guess I always keep saying this, but it actually was fun, especially when you're shopping with
There are
Gaga.
certain words that we kind of stick with. Mine
Yeah.
is like, I'm obsessed. I want to change the vocabulary. But I understand. Yours is, that was so much fun.
But cool then. So let's start with the first outfit that we had picked, which was for 500 rupees.
I think
not
it's a
bad.
good bargain.
756 is 500, not bad.
We
And
loved
the
it.
quality is good. Moving on, I think हम round figure करके बताएंगे. ये तो हमने थोड़ी बहुत jewelry ली थी जो हम use करने वाले हैं for
I
look
love
1
it.
and look 2.
I love it.
Yes, and then we got this sexy tank top in your favorite
Very
color
cute.
of the season, which is yellow,
And we
these
got
cute
these-
white shorts,
This
the
I'm
color that
putting
you've
it on
never
you.
worn. And
It better be
lastly,
good.
these cute chappals.
But I think
जो
we'll
हमें
go with
sale में
both
मिला
of
है.
them.
Yeah.
Very
course.
good though. 500 is a good one.
I am
You
very,
did a
very,
good
very,
job.
very excited to see you getting styled in street shop clothes. So let's do it. Let's go.